Hi, KP. This is Michael from BetterTOEFLScores.com. I hope you're having a great day today. And I'm listening to an integrated speaking practice test that you sent me, I think, yesterday. Let's see how you did on this one. So you spoke for 61 seconds.
In an architecture class, the professor explains loads, which are internal and external forces that the buildings and other constructions must withstand, and the engineers must consider these forces for safety.
Engineers. Engineers. Anytime you have a word that ends in EER, you'll typically put the stress on the last syllable.
She states two types of loads. One is static and another is dynamic. In static loads, the forces don't change suddenly. They are further divided into dead and live ones. In dead loads, the engineers consider the distribution of weight the structure can bear.
Okay, you're having some problems with some of the names of the different kinds of loads. I know static and dynamic, but some of those other things you're talking about, I'm not quite hearing what you're saying.
For example, walls, ceilings, floors, and roofs. However, live loads like people, furniture, and cars are considered to be static because there are no abrupt changes in the force and they can be calculated. Moreover, the lecturer mentions dynamic loads are unpredictable and can change suddenly like tidal waves, hurricanes, or earthquakes.
Okay. All right. So I think overall you have a good response. You had some minor problems with your delivery, pronouncing some of those technical terms, I think, from the passage. That was the only issue. You had great control of your language use. You're really organized. You had an accurate, complete response. I'm going to put you around 24 to 26 points on this. If you didn't get 26, it is because of some delivery issues. That's it. Everything else is fine. All right. Thank you.